I invite you to find a comfortable posture, sitting or lying down. Soften your shoulders. Gently close your eyes. Inhale and exhale, as if each breath were a small return home. Feel the weight of your body being held. You don't need to do anything. You don't need to go anywhere. You're simply here, present. We are now going to set the intention with attention to activate our 3 centers. The first one is in your head. Place your hands on top of your head and bring attention just there to the space of the mind. Feel the clarity, the ability to observe, to understand, and tap into the admirative love that is there within you, the wonder, the inspiration. Here lives your admirative love, the part of you that recognizes what is beautiful, what is true, and what is valuable. Contemplate it and breathe it in. Smile softly to your mind. And with each breath, in and out, allow that admirative love to enhance, to grow. Thank you for your clarity and inspiration. Take 2 deep breath in and out to anchor that powerhouse, that love, that source where you can come back to. And place your hands now on your chest. Tap into the heart, into your compassionate love. Let your attention drop there in the center of your chest and feel the heartbeat, the movement that never abandons you, and the warmth of your hands on top of your chest, the rhythm of life. Here lives your compassionate love, your tenderness, your empathy, your loving gaze of acceptance towards what is. Not trying to change anything, just accepting. Your capacity to receive and offer without judgment. Breathe into this place. Feel safe. Inhale and exhale. Feel held. Inhale and exhale. Feel the kindness towards yourself and towards others. I am here with you. Continue noticing your heartbeats, this rhythm that never ends. And now bring your hands down into your belly. We are going to activate the passionate love, the vital force. We are now descending to the abdomen, bringing the warmth of our hands in the pelvis area. Feel its warmth, its depth, its power. Your instinctive, creative, vital center, the home of your passionate love, your strength, your desire to live, your impulse to create, your creative force, your creative power. Breathe into this area now and activate it fully. Breathe in and out. In and out. And say to your vital force, you are welcome. I trust you. And now we are going to invite the light of Father Sun. Now imagine a golden light above your crown, warm. The light of Father Sun. Allow it to descend over you. Let it touch your head. And as it touches, let it gently align your mind. Then let it move down to the heart, filling it with compassion, calm, and presence. And continue down to the belly, igniting your fire, your creative, your power, your vital force. 3 centers now, aligning, one single axis, one single love, embracing them all. That love for yourself, self-love, awakening as a source from which you can nourish yourself and bring it to any area of your being that requires it. Share it with whomever you want, with whomever you choose. Allow the 3 loves to unite, to collaborate within you. Breathe in and out. Place now a hand on your heart and another one on your belly. And repeat to yourself, my eyes will look with admiration. I will love from presence without judgment. And I will walk with the vital force of my belly. I am aligned. I am present. I am in myself. Whenever you are ready, slowly open your eyes And may the rest of your day be bright, aligned, and with your full power activated. The power of love.